Hi, welcome to ECAS Cloud. Agenda of the day: what is data science? Why data science? Example: prerequisite for data science. What does a data scientist do? Applications of data science. Data science as a career. First, let us understand what is data science. Data science is the domain of study that deals with vast volumes of data using modern tools and techniques to find unseen patterns, derive meaningful information, and make business decisions. Data science uses complex machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. The data used for analysis can be from multiple sources and present in various formats. For example, will Maruti Suzuki will take feedback from customers that will help them to improve the product. Moving further, we'll try to understand why data science. Data science or data driven science enables better decision making, predictive analysis, and pattern discovery. Data science helps us to find the leading cause of a problem by asking the right questions, perform exploratory data study, model the data using various algorithms, communicate and visualize the results via graphs, dashboards, etc. That means data science will help you to analyze a problem using data, and also it will help you to build models. Also, you can build dashboards, graphs, charts to make a better decision. Now let us see an example. Data science is helping the airline industry predict disruptions in travel to alleviate the pain for both airlines and passengers. With the help of data science, airlines can optimize operations in many ways, including plan routes and decide whether to schedule direct or connecting flights, build predictive analytics models to forecast flight delays, offer personalized promotional offers based on customers' booking patterns, decide which class of planes to purchase for better overall performance. So that means aviation industry is heavily dependent on data science to take right decisions about purchase of a aeroplane, or or sending promotional offers to its existing customers and future customers. Also, it uses data science to predict flight delays. The reason is airports will have limited space for uh, aeroplanes. A delay of few seconds may result in a catastrophic event. Also, data science can help them to optimize routes, and also it will help them to decide whether we need a connecting flight or direct flight. Another example: let's say you want to buy new furniture for your office. When looking online for the best option and deal, you should answer some critical questions before making your decision. First, does website sell furniture? Yes or no? If it is yes, then I will think about next parameter to be considered. If it is no, I will close the website. Now let us assume yes. Then I will check rating 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5 depending on my requirement. If there are products greater than 4 out of 5, then I will go to next step, otherwise I will close the website. Now let us assume yes. If it is yes, then discount, I will check which product is having discount greater than 20%. If product is there, I will go ahead and purchase that product. If no, I will close the website. So now this analysis is done using data science. Now let us learn prerequisite for data science. First is machine learning. Now what is machine learning? Machine learning is the backbone of data science. Data scientists need to have a solid grasp on machine learning in addition to basic knowledge of statistics. Second prerequisite, modeling. Mathematical models enable you to make quick calculations and predictions based on what you already know about the data. Modeling is also a part of machine learning and involves identifying which algorithm is the most suitable to solve a given problem and how to train these models. And you can build models using different machine learning algorithms. I can use linear regression, I can use lasso regression, I can use ridge regression, logistic regression, and even some of the unsupervised algorithms as well. Now everything depends on your problem statement. Moving further, next prerequisite is statistics. Statistics are at the core of data science. A sturdy handle on statistics can help you extract more intelligence and obtain more meaningful results. So that means statistics will help you to analyze your data better. In order to build a better model, statistics will play a critical role. Next, programming. Some level of programming is required to execute a successful data science project. The most common programming languages are Python and R. Python is especially popular because it's easy to learn and it supports multiple libraries for data science and machine learning. So that means you must know programming. If you don't know, you should learn programming and then you should plan to enter data science field. The commonly used language in data science is Python because it is very easy. The non-programmers or non-technical persons can easily understand Python. That is the reason nowadays Python is very much used in data science. Also, Python has a rich collection of libraries for doing data science project. Next prerequisite is databases. A capable data scientist need to understand how databases work, how to manage them, and how to extract data from them. The knowledge of database is essential. If you want to be in IT field, the knowledge of database is very much required. Whether you are in data science or whether you are in big data or some other areas of IT, database knowledge is very much essential today. Now let us understand what a data scientist do. A data scientist analyzes business data to extract meaningful insights. In other words, a data scientist solves business problems through a series of steps, including: first, ask the right questions to understand the problem. Second, gather data from multiple sources, enterprise data, public data, etc. Third one, process raw data and convert it into a format suitable for analysis. Fourth one, feed the data into the analytic system, machine learning algorithm or statistical model. Fifth one is prepare the results and insights to share with the appropriate stakeholders. Now, these are the normal day-to-day activities of a data scientist. Now, we'll try to understand some of the applications of data science. Data science has found its applications in almost every industry. Let us start with healthcare. Healthcare companies are using data science to build sophisticated medical instruments to detect and cure diseases. Second, gaming. Video and computer games are now being created with the help of data science, and that has taken the gaming experience to the next level. Next one, image recognition. Identifying patterns in images and detecting objects in an image is one of the most popular data science applications. Fourth one, recommendation systems. Netflix and Amazon give movie and product recommendations based on what you like to watch, purchase, or browse on their platforms. Fifth one, logistics. Data science is used by logistics companies to optimize routes to ensure faster delivery of products and increase operational efficiency. Sixth one, fraud detection. Banking and financial institutions use data science and related algorithms to detect fraudulent transactions. So that means data science is used in almost every domain today. Right? So not just these six, it is also used in agriculture, aviation, right? So you take any domain, data science is used there. Now let us see data science as a career is good or not. Over the last 5 years, the job vacancies for data science and its related roles have grown significantly. Glassdoor has named data scientist as the #1 job in the United States as per its 2020 report. Sorry. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts the rise of data science needs will create 11.5 million jobs by 2026. There are several job roles that you can look for in the data science domain. Some of the important job roles are data scientist, machine learning engineer, data consultant, data analyst. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a data scientist in the United States is $113,000 per annum, and in India it's about 907,000 rupees per annum. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit www.ecascloud.com.